Does that number on the BMI chart really determine your health? We've all heard about the body mass index, but is it actually a reliable indicator of fitness and wellness? Today, we are diving into real stories and cutting through the noise to find out whether your BMI really matters. Welcome back to BetterHealth with Dr. Payne. I get asked a lot of times what this BMI is all about. Well, it's that number that's supposed to measure your health according to your height and your weight. But is it really telling the full story? In this video, we'll explore why BMI might not be the best way to judge your health, and I will share real stories from people who have seen limitations of this measurement firsthand. Let's start with the basics. BMI, body mass index. It is a simple calculation of your weight divided by your height squared. Sounds straightforward, right? But here's where it gets tricky. BMI doesn't account for things like muscle mass, bone density. I've seen patients like Francis, who is an athlete and considered overweight by the BMI standards simply because he has more muscle. Meanwhile, others with normal BMI could be at risk for health issues due to poor diet or lack of exercise. This one-size-fits-all approach can leave a lot of people with misinformation about their health. Take Degraft for example, a 45-year-old dad who started running marathons. Before his fitness journey, Degraft's BMI put him in the obese category. But after training and losing weight, his BMI labeled him as overweight, even though he's in the best shape of his life. That's because BMI doesn't differentiate between fat and muscle. And then there's Mary, whose BMI is in the normal range, but she's been struggling with high blood pressure and elevated cholesterol levels. Clearly, the BMI isn't capturing the full picture of her health. The truth is, BMI alone can't assess your cardiovascular health, strength, or flexibility. Things that really matter when it comes to wellness. So, does your BMI even matter? The short answer is it depends. BMI can give a general snapshot, but it's just one of many factors that contribute to your overall health. New research shows that waist circumference, blood pressure, cholesterol, and lifestyle habits like diet and exercise are better indicators of long-term health. In 2024, we are focusing more on personalized healthcare, where your medical history, activity level, and body composition tell the real story. So if you're feeling discouraged by a bad BMI, don't sweat it. Focus more on how you feel, how active you are, and what your body can do. In conclusion, BMI is a limited tool that doesn't capture the complexity of your health. Remember, you are more than a number. Real health is about how you live, move, and feel. Keep the focus on the bigger picture. Thank you for tuning in. If this video resonated with you, make sure to subscribe for more health tips and stories that go beyond the numbers. And tell me in the comments what's your take on BMI. Have you had a personal experience with it that changed how you see your health? This is BetterHealth with Dr. Payne. And remember, better health starts here. See you later in our next video. And it's ciao.